Hello and welcome back to the channel. Well, it happened again. Once again, I did not stick to the plan and impulse bought another bike. You are looking at a 2023 Triumph Trident 660. My original intention was to look at a Ducati Scrambler and the Royal Enfield Himalayan. And while I did look at the Ducati and even test rode the Royal Enfield, I was a bit underwhelmed by the Royal Enfield. Somewhat disappointed, I looked around the store, and between all the BMWs, Ducatis and Triumphs, the Trident caught my eye, and of course the store was more than happy to let me test ride it. Well, 20 minutes later, and I was the proud owner of said Triumph Trident. So, why did I buy it? As I mentioned in my previous videos, after my stable reset, I was looking for that fabled unicorn bike that of course doesn't exist. Light, nimble and peppy to have some fun on the straights and twisties, along with a wee bit off-road capabilities was the goal. Well, in the Trident's case, it was all of the above, but the off-road part. Still close enough for me to pull the trigger at the store. I will also admit that I'm a big sucker for that traditional old school look and always thought that the Triumph triples sound amazing, which my short test ride confirmed right away. As you can see from the close-ups, I already had the dealer modify the bike and delete plenty of stock parts before I even picked it up from the store. There are a few more parts on the way, and I will go more into detail and give the bike a proper introduction once I got everything installed. It will also give me a chance to get a few more miles under my belt and give a proper first impression of the bike. What I will say for now is that the SC Project full system does sound very good, and the added quickshifter seems like a very good investment as well. For now, stay tuned, keep it on 2, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye.